Today, you're going to learn how to organize your crypto taxes using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the process step by step and show you the exact prompts you can type in so you can track your trades, calculate gains, and stay organized for tax season. This guide is perfect for beginners, investors, day traders, and anyone who buys, sells, or swaps cryptocurrency. Before you begin, make sure you have basic information about your crypto activity, including dates, amounts, wallet addresses, exchange history, and any transaction fees. If you're unsure what information you actually need, don't worry. The first prompt will help you figure that out. Once you're ready, type this simple prompt. Create a checklist of everything I need to organize my crypto taxes, including transactions, fees, transfers, gains, losses, and records. I should keep for H, M, R, C, or I, R, S. You'll instantly receive a clean list of what to gather before starting. Next, use this prompt to organize your transaction history. Create a sortable table where I can paste my crypto transactions. Include columns for date, asset, buy price, sale price, amount, fees, gain or loss, and notes. You'll get an easy-to-use spreadsheet format you can copy into Google Sheets or Excel. If your records are messy or spread across multiple wallets and exchanges, use this short prompt. Ask me questions about how I trade crypto, then create a simple system to organize my transactions. After answering a few questions, you'll get a personalized method that fits your trading style. Now, when you're ready to calculate gains or losses, type this. Help me summarize my crypto transactions into total gains, losses, and fees for tax purposes. Explain the result in simple terms. This gives you a beginner-friendly explanation you can use for your tax return. Before finalizing anything, double-check your information using this prompt. Give me a short checklist of common mistakes people make with crypto tax calculations so I can avoid them. This helps you catch issues like missing fees, mixing transfers with trades, or forgetting to record swaps. Finally, set yourself up for next year with this follow-up habit prompt. Create a simple weekly or monthly routine for keeping my crypto tax records updated all year. This ensures tax season becomes easier instead of overwhelming. And that's it. Organizing your crypto taxes becomes much simpler when you follow a clear structure and update your records regularly. Use these prompts, follow each step carefully, and always confirm your tax details with HM, R, C, or the IRS if you're unsure. These steps work perfectly inside ChatGPT. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.